Hi gang, I'm glad you're all here. Thank you very much for joining me. Please thumbs up my videos and don't forget to subscribe. Late last night here in the United States, early morning there in Iran, there was a magnitude 6.0 earthquake. According to the German Research Center for Geoscience, USGS said it was a magnitude 5.8. This earthquake was reportedly felt all the way to Dubai, across the United Arab Emirates. Iranian news says there is some light injuries, but they always downplay the damage and injuries and deaths that happen there from earthquakes. All the nuclear power plants there in Iran have been put on alert, and 11 of the towns that lost power, 10 of them have had their power restored. You can see these little names here of some of these small little villages. I'll zoom into this one here. Damage probably is very significant in this location. USGS gave it an intensity level of 8, and the shaking, they said, probably lasted 20 to 30 seconds. Now, if the buildings were design structures made for earthquakes, the damage would have been very slight, but considerable in ordinary sustainable buildings with partial collapse. Great damage in poorly built structures, panel walls thrown out of frame structures, chimneys probably fell down, factory smokestacks would have fallen, columns, monuments, walls, heavy furniture would have been overturned. There was probably blowholes, sand and mud ejected in small amounts, changes in well water, and persons while they were driving would have definitely noticed it. There is also reports that rock slides that occurred that blocked one of the roads has now been reopened. Supposedly they sent people out to investigate, damage and injuries and things like that. But you can see here on Google Earth, these are not well-made structures. Iran is a very seismically active area. They do have lots of earthquakes. There's lots of faults that run through. See all these towns? These small villages. One report from Bastak said it was a very long earthquake and intense. We got another one here. I don't know what that is. It was awful. Wow, that was scary. We were scared. Let's see. It was intense and long, so it probably lasted more than 30 seconds. Felt this in Kish. I was eating ice cream in the middle of the night, and I saw that it was shaking. Everything. It was very long. Well, actually, it was early morning there. It was terrible. It was so scary. Kish Island felt it clearly. Rather strong. There is one video clip that came from Dubai showing a chandelier that was shaking from the earthquake. Yeah. So first I want to go to Kish, and then I want to go to Dubai and show you where that location is. Okay, there's the island of Kish. And there's the earthquake. USGS is reporting 1 aftershocks, but there's been more. USGS has a 4.5. And now we'll go to Dubai. They're in the United Arab Emirates. all the way over here. And I'll bring it out. Okay, there was an earthquake. Let's see. What's the date on that one? That was last year, November 14th. That one was either a 6.5, but USGS had it as a magnitude 6.3. Now here on the Iranian seismological website, we got the 6.0. There was also a 4.1, a 4.0, 3.5, 3.4, 3.9, another 3.9, a 3.3, another 3.9, and a 3.4, and more recently a 2.9. So there would be a total of 11 earthquakes. Now this monitor is from the United Arab Emirates. See a quake there, a quake there. There's been a lot of them. And I'll bring it back another 4 hours. What time is that one? Oh my goodness. According to the Iranian website, that would be a magnitude 4.0. Yeah, it lasted a long time. And we'll go back. And there's another one. Let's see. Let me pull it up over here for you. We got 3 more here. This one, they have it listed as I believe a no, they don't have it listed. This would be 1445 Universal Time. They do not have it listed. Here's all the times right here. And we got some more. Alright, and this is the magnitude 6.0. Yeah, we got 23, just after 23:15 that it came in. And once again, this is the monitor that I am using. Sending prayers to the people there of Iran. We may have our differences with the government, but the people are just, they're innocent bystanders usually. I don't know. I have to laugh about that because a lot of them say death to America, death to Israel. I don't know, but I still send prayers. So what are your thoughts? Put those comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please stay safe. And I will talk to you later. God bless you. Bye.